Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll discuss about the issue when we get try to connect our SQL server in our local machine. So whenever we try to connect our to our local server name instance, sometimes it throws some network related error. So how we can fix that? Let's see. So I'm trying to connect to my local server, which is desktop over this one. And let's see what error it throws. So it throws we cannot connect to our local server. Some network related instance is specific error occurred while we are establishing connection to SQL Server. So how we can fix that is, let's see. First of all, open your task manager and go to services. And inside services, search for SQL Server agent. See, so here it is. You can also open this screen by right clicking in your taskbar, just like that, and open the task manager and then click on services. Yeah, now look for SQL Server agent, and it is stopped. Now start this. Now it is running. Now minimize this screen. Now again try to connect. See, now it is connected. So yeah, that is how we can fix this connection error locally. If you face this, you can try this, and you'll able to fix it accordingly. Yeah, that is all for this. Thank you.